everyone. Hello vlog. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Another day, another vlog. Hello. Guys, I'm here around of the highway. As you can see, a lot of car. I'm doing my snack. my snack. Guys, saging. Mukbang tayo. Hello everyone. Another day, another vlog with chips. Pop-up doll. I show you guys the highway. It's a new condo, guys. It's a new condo. Bagong patayo. The restaurant. The new condo over there. Restaurant. Pop-up doll. Parking lot. So Walmart over there. There is Toras. Opo. And the other side, there is a mall. Hindi tayo pwede mag-straight dito kasi may may train. May rail train. So we need to walk over here on the side. Mamaya. Picnic muna tayo dito, ha? Cloudy ngayon guys, cloudy. Parang may bagyo. Nandyan na ate si Julian. Restaurant over on the side, Chinese food, Lebanese, sushi. Pop-up doll! Ayan ang highway. Burger King. Burger King. It's a nice view guys along the highway. Busy highway. Tayo maghapon. Shooting. Ay, shooting daw. Highway. Bye for now. Bye. Guys, itong car na yan, truck, pang camping yan. Kumpleto po dyan, may bed, may toilet, may kitchen, may sofa. Kumpleto na po yan, pang ready to camping. Alright. Walking. Ganda ng view oh. Lalo pag summer siguro, ay pag summer, pag may araw, magandang view. Daming ano, oh, pop-up doll. Pop-up doll! Nandito ako! Hoy! View the highway! Sa highway guys, highway. May airplane, ayun na airplane. Wow! Beautiful highway! Toray us guys, toray us. Beautiful. Lalo pag may sun dapat, may araw. Beautiful. Bye-bye for now guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Again and again, bye-bye. Again and again. Mwah, mwah.